Got to put a little air in this tires, you guys. And this thing right here is the bee's knees. It's like 35 pounds, -6 degrees out right now. So we got to add a little air. But wait when this kicks on. I mean, like, how quiet is that? Battery powered. This thing's freaking awesome. Like, that's it. That's it right there. All right, guys, welcome back. We got the old work truck behind me. You can see old Whitey got a car wash yesterday. Looking as good as she can for 20 years old. We're actually going to head inside the shop. It's a beautiful day. We got a customer's detail to finish up, and I got a confession to make. All right, you guys, so as long as I've had this channel, I've wanted to be as transparent and honest as possible. And you can see behind me, this is absolutely disgusting, absolutely ridiculous. And running a business, this should never happen. But the reality of it is, I've been busy lately and this is what happens, you guys. You let shit get away from you, and this is the result, unfortunately. So that cat litter that we bought last week, you can see it right there. That is actually to clean up the floor. So I'm not gonna bore you guys and make you watch me clean this disgusting shop right here. But the reality of it is, this is a small space, and this is what happens when you let stuff get away from you. So this is something I absolutely have to be better about, especially given that we're working in such a small shop. You know, when I have good ideas to reorganize, because I'm also going to rearrange in here, I'll bring you along and show you that stuff. But I really got to get cracking on this. We're going to go back in the house, work on the Audi TT front bumper. So I'll catch you in a little bit. All right, guys, so you saw where we were at before, and you can see all the imperfections in here. Now, by no means did I put this primer on so it's ready for paint. I just wanted to see my high and low spots. So you can see we definitely got some work to do. The hardest areas are these transitions on these curves here. So this one's coming along pretty good. This one isn't so bad either. So what I like to do now is I'm gonna go ahead with a Sharpie, and I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna mark all my spots I need to work with the sander. So it's getting somewhere compared to what we started with. I'll put a clip in right here. You can see that we're actually making some pretty good progress. All right, so this probably makes no sense to anybody at all except for me, but this is how I keep track of it. It's not a weird map. When I have spots that don't need to be sanded a lot, but there's still a transition that's visible, I mark it with a dotted line. The spots that have really bad transitions, I always mark with a solid line. So again, might not make sense to anybody else. This is actually really good right here. In here, we got some work to do to smooth it out. You can see it looks like there's a giant divot there, but this is actually still really high. So anyway, I marked this off, so now we can continue sanding. All right, guys, so right there you can see where the Audi front bumper is. This is something that's taken a little bit longer than I initially anticipated for it to take, but that's how all these body repairs usually go. You want it to look really good, so you have to be patient. I couldn't be a full-time body guy. It's just, I don't have enough patience for it, but this little stuff I do really enjoy doing. So my goal on the front bumper for next week is to have it completely primered, sanded up, and ready for paint. Now, when we do that, like I said before, we're gonna go to automotivetouchup.com, and I might get some flack for this, but I really like DIY type repairs and showing you that you can get a lot of really good results for not a whole lot of money. So I'm gonna give a shout out to another automotive YouTube channel, and that's gonna be More Motorsports. He is like the rattle can god of auto repair, so I really like his paint jobs, and we're gonna show you how you can repaint your entire car with spray cans. That's right, we're gonna keep the same color on the Audi, but we're gonna do it 100% with spray cans. So I'm gonna order it all in one lot so I don't get like a mix of paint that's different. So I have to go ahead and order about $200 worth of paint, as well as that 2K clear, so we can get after that once the springtime rolls around. One more thing for this video, you guys. There is a company I've been working with for a little while, and if you don't like working on your cars with these or having a light in your mouth like this, then you should absolutely stick around for this next clip. Description and 10% off your full order code for the Odelphi strip light headlamp is below. Let's roll it. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning into this video. Just give you a little update on the shop and the Audi front bumper. If you like the video, drop me a comment down below, like the video, subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see you next time.